Okay, so since we are learning about homophones right now, I'm going to share with you 3 very common when it comes to kids' curriculum and how to easily tell the difference between one and the other. The first one is 1 and 1. So 1 being the number, 1 being like you won something. The way that I taught Glory how to remember this is when you have won something, you're a winner. Winner starts with W, so does 1. So they start with the same first letter. That's how we remember that one. The next one is some and some. So some like some things, and some like the answer after you add a set of numbers. So the way that we remember this one is when you add numbers, the word add has 3 letters in it. So the answer, which is the sum, also has 3 letters in it. So when you have some and some, the one that has 4 letters and the one that has 3 letters, you know the one that has 3 letters is the correct answer because add has 3 letters. And then the second set is kind of similar to this. It's 8 and 8, 8 being like I ate food and then 8 being the number. So when you ate food, it has the word eat in it, E-A-T, which is what you do with food, right? So the 8 that has eat inside is the correct one, where the other 8 is going to be the numbers. So those are little simple tricks that we use to remember those 3 homophones. If you have other homophones and tricks how to remember them, please drop them in the comments because we're struggling on this right now.